Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best hat and cane is probably one of the most iconic and sophisticated accessories a person can own, instantly elevating any outfit and exuding an air of timeless elegance and distinguished charm, making it a statement piece that speaks volumes about personal style and attention to detail, perfect for those who appreciate classic fashion and want to add a touch of vintage flair to their modern wardrobe. Number 5. Nicky Big's Novelties Black Top Hat. Step into a world of mystery and elegance with this classic black top hat. Perfect for any occasion, it adds a touch of sophistication to your look. Unleash your inner illusionist. This hat is designed to make your grand entrance, just like a seasoned magician. Embrace the charm of a bygone era. Its Victorian and steampunk design makes it a standout accessory for themed events. Elevate your costume game. Whether it's for a party or a play, this hat is the ultimate finishing touch for adult costumes. Enjoy a perfect fit every time. The adjustable size ensures maximum comfort for all-day wear. Experience the quality and style from Nicky Big's Novelties. This hat is crafted for durability and a distinguished appearance. What we like. This classic option offers a timeless Victorian aesthetic with the convenience of an adjustable size. If you're looking for a versatile hat for various costumes or historical reenactments, this is a fantastic choice. It ensures a comfortable fit for most adults. What people say. It arrived in good shape, and it has held its shape since wearing it to the event. We plan on going to the same event next year, and the hat can definitely be used again and again. They aren't plastic. They aren't felt. But kind of like thin felt with cardboard, believable. We both have kinda big heads, and that was my biggest worry, but they fit fine. We wore them on a float in a Christmas parade. It was very windy, but they stayed on. Thick and stiff as compared to China made, which is soft and out of shape. Comes as a box with bubble pack, not folded. Number 4. Nicky Big's Novelties Black Christmas Top Hat. Add a touch of holiday cheer to your outfit with this classic black top hat. It's the perfect accessory for any festive occasion. Featuring a charming snowman motif and a stylish plaid band, this hat brings a playful winter vibe. The added berries give it an extra festive touch. Embrace a touch of Victorian flair with this elegant top hat. It's designed for adults looking to make a statement. Complete your ugly Christmas sweater costume with this unique black top hat. It's sure to be a conversation starter at any holiday party. Designed for comfort and convenience, this hat comes in one size that fits most adults. Enjoy a perfect fit for your holiday celebrations. What we like. Embrace the holiday spirit with this uniquely festive design, complete with a charming plaid band and berry accents. If you're aiming for an ugly Christmas sweater party or a whimsical snowman look, this hat is perfect. Its one-size-fits-all nature makes it an easy addition to your seasonal wardrobe. What people say. Surprisingly very well made. Packaged well. It is actually an adult size. Fits really well. It also has a handy adjustable Velcro sweatband, for a secure fit. This is an attractive hat of reasonable quality as a costume or snowman hat. It was big enough to fit us comfortably. Great for a Dickens evening. The Velcro adjustable band helps fit smaller heads. Number 3. Nicky Big's Novelties Satin Tall Top Hat. Step out in style with this classic tall top hat. Its satin finish adds a touch of elegance to any outfit. Perfect for the aspiring magician, this hat is designed to impress. It's the ideal accessory for captivating performances. Add a unique steampunk flair to your look with this distinctive hat. It's a statement piece for the modern adventurer. Channel Victorian charm with this beautifully crafted top hat. It brings a touch of historical sophistication to your costume. Elevate your costume with this versatile top hat. It's the perfect finishing touch for a memorable ensemble. Made with attention to detail, this hat offers both style and durability. You'll love the feel and the look. What we like. Experience a touch of elegance with its smooth satin finish and striking tall silhouette. If you're aiming for a sophisticated magician, a daring steampunk character, or a refined Victorian look, this hat elevates any costume. It's ideal for those who want a polished and eye-catching statement piece. What people say. Able to customize the fit with the straps inside the hat. The materials are reasonably sturdy and well constructed, with no loose pieces found. They have a pleasing satin finish. This hat has a 5-inch internal horizontal elastic band that runs along the inside of the internal brim edge. I suspect its purpose is to accommodate various head sizes while ensuring a secure fit. Number 2. Kids Magician Costume Toy Kit. Step into a world of wonder with this incredible magician costume kit. It's perfect for sparking imagination and creating magical moments. Crafted from premium fabric, this costume is built to last. It's easy to clean and resistant to dirt, ensuring endless hours of play. Whether it's Halloween, a themed party, or just a fun afternoon, this set is your go-to for unforgettable events. Keep your little ones entertained for hours with this engaging pretend play set. They'll love exploring the world of magic and mystery. This comprehensive kit includes everything they need to perform amazing tricks: a cape, top hat, magic wand, gloves, and more. Looking for a unique gift? This magician set is ideal for toddlers and kids aged 6 to 12, offering a fantastic blend of fun and creativity. What we like. This is an all-in-one magic kit designed for young aspiring performers, featuring a durable cape, hat, wand, and gloves. If you're searching for a gift that encourages imaginative play and provides hours of entertainment for toddlers to older kids, this set is ideal. It's perfect for magic shows, Halloween, or just everyday pretend play. What people say. The hat is from hard material and not flimsy, expect it to be very durable. The quality of the hats was amazing. It arrived in a nice keepsake box and is very good quality. Number 1. Nicky Big's Novelties Collapsible Top Hat. Step into the spotlight with this classic collapsible top hat. Perfect for any performance or costume, it's designed for both style and convenience. This hat is a must-have for any aspiring magician or performer. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry and store, ready for your next grand illusion. Experience the perfect blend of traditional style and modern practicality. This hat offers a distinguished look that's surprisingly easy to transport. Whether it's for a Halloween costume, a cosplay event, or a theatrical performance, this versatile accessory adds a touch of magic. It's designed to impress. Forget bulky hats. This collapsible design ensures you can take your top hat anywhere. It folds down neatly, ready to be revealed at just the right moment. Add a playful yet sophisticated element to your attire. This hat is a fantastic choice for men looking to elevate their costume or performance. What we like. Enjoy the ultimate convenience with its innovative collapsible feature, making storage and transport a breeze. If you need a hat that's ready for spontaneous cosplay or easy to pack for conventions and events, this is your go-to. It offers the classic top hat look without the bulk. What people say. While closed, the rim is sturdy and stiff. A very strong spring action ensures the hat will keep its shape as it pops open. The rich dark color gives the top hat a classy presence. It is covered in a thick velour fabric with a satin ribbon around it, and for a costume looks very high-end. The diameter is pretty big and it's held on using a wide elastic hat band that runs around the interior. Makes for a good fit regardless of head size. It is collapsible and great quality. It is easy to open and close. The outside fabric is very soft. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.